Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Learn in 1 Minute. Today in this series we will learn about what is a README. So README is a special file which contains information about the other files under the repository. So we use mostly in our GitHub repositories to tell about a project and the whole repository. Maintaining a good README shows how good you are in managing your projects and documenting it. So there should be content, and in short as said, your README is the guide for the project. So you must include the following, like about the project, how did you make it or which tech stack you used, some installation guide should be there, a demo should be must because everyone wants to see but no one wants to install it on their own system before seeing the demo. You can include the contributing guidelines if your project is open source. Also, don't forget to add the references so that the other person's credit will be given under your project. So this is all about the README, and that's 1 minute. See you in the next video.